Hi, this is Linoshka. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we have some very interesting Goan music playing in the background today because we are making something very interesting while sticking to my roots. Drum roll please. We are making Goan beef chili fry with a twist. The twist being we are using vegan mock meat, that is banana peels. Now whether you're vegan or not, it doesn't matter. If you're a foodie, then you are exactly in the right place. I promise you, you're going to love this recipe. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Send in your requests. DM me on Instagram, whatever you like for more delicious, healthy and interesting recipes. Let's get started in the kitchen. See you. Yes, you heard that right, folks. Banana peel. Yes, I know. Varies and my thoughts exactly. I mean, who knew? Banana peels being edible and they're super nutritious as well. And for our recipe, they're super great because they are really absorbent when it comes to taking in all the flavors. So I would always recommend organic produce, but because of this recipe we're using banana peels. We're going to take it a step further. Besides organic bananas, we're also going to soak the peels in a bowl of warm water with some baking soda. So if there's any extra pesticide residue, let's just take it off. So let's just cut out the ends of all the 3 bananas. Once you cut off the ends, just make sure that you remove the inner surface with a spoon. And you're going to be using only the banana peels. So let's just continue like that. So to some warm water, let's just add some baking soda and soak these peels for about 5 to 10 minutes. The main reasons I decided to turn vegan or plant-based is because of this girl right here, Bailey. Say hi, Bailey. Hi for the camera. I am still a transitioning vegan and 90% of the time I am plant-based. I do not miss eating animal meat. However, when I'm thinking of a dish with a vegan meat or mock meat, I'm thinking in terms of texture because all the flavor comes from the herbs and the spices that you use to bring out the flavors. So stick around. Today we are using banana peel. Next time we might be using another mock meat, not the regular kind, but you can just stick around and see some of my tricks up my sleeve. So these are the ingredients: 3 banana peels, some onions, 2 onions chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, some garlic which is chopped, quarter to half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin or jeera, half teaspoon of pepper powder and a tablespoon of soya sauce. You can add the salt later according to your taste. With the help of a fork, you can just shred the banana peels like this. You can make it thinner or finer as you like. And then just cut them up later so that you have smaller pieces. So this is what you'll be left with, your vegan mock meat, your vegan beef shreds. So this part is done and now let's start cooking.
So this is what it looks like, and all ready to serve with some fresh Goan pao. You can eat your vegan Goan beef chili fry just as is, or you can use it as stuffing into burritos, sliders, tacos, get creative, or even like me into your favorite fresh warm bread. Let me know your thoughts about this interesting recipe.